Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing video.
Yeah, today I got these speed cubes. They're called magic cubes, but I got them because it comes with 6. So we're gonna be unboxing this, and I'll be showing you a small tutorial on how to solve them. So
Okay, let's get
right
into it.
So there's a little piece of tape on the front, and then you just open this little flap, and there are all the speed cubes. Or
They're called magic cubes in this scenario. They'll come individually packaged, and I suppose they're pretty shareable.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, here's the first one. When you open it, you get the cube itself, and you get this little piece of paper. And this just shows you, this just shows you how to solve it. So if you want, you can, I guess, like, either screenshot this, and you can solve it for yourself.
It's not fully in frame. We'll send a picture of it and put it at the end of the video.
Yeah, if you want to solve a Rubik's Cube for yourself. But speed cubes are called speed cubes because they're like really fast. Like, this is really smooth.
They usually come in this like specific style of cube because people, this is a well-known style to be a speed cube.
They look kind of like plasticky, but they're really like a colorful. They're really like colorful, and it's easy to see. So now I'll show you how to solve one. So first I gotta mix one up. So just so you know that this is real, I'm gonna ask my volunteer to mix it up.
Close your eyes.
And while he's mixing it up, I'm gonna open the rest of these.
Yeah, I heard that.
There you go. Fully mixed. Maybe I should mix it even more.
Yeah, do like a spin in the air so it's completely random. Something like that.
Now, we do not believe this type of cube can corner flip.
Usually speed cubes can, but we tried it on these. They can't corner flip.
Well, actually, they might be able to. Oh, yeah.
They can?
Looks like it could. You want me to?
Oh.
Whoop. Corner flip.
They can corner flip. That's cool. I didn't want to break it, so I didn't
That's
really
sort of
try too hard.
a way of cheating. If you've got, like, one messed up, you can do that to, like, all the corners and completely solve the cube just by corner flipping.
I've unboxed all of them.
I kind of had, knowledge of the, like, I know they met
Okay.
and, like, we're not
And I'm going to do something later with the rest of these, but now I'm going to solve this. So,
stable. She's okay.
let's see.